Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make these two pretty necklace sets that I have worn in my Ganpati celebration, and everybody had loved it a lot, and they're very comfortable to make. And they're very easy to make, as well as you can wear them for the whole day very comfortably. As you can see, I have literally enjoyed my first day of Ganpati celebration with these two necklaces. So I really enjoyed making these necklaces for you all and then shooting and everything. And I hope that you will also enjoy watching this tutorial and will definitely try to make this necklace set at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I have a request that I am really trying to grow out my family on this platform. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me as it is helping me in growing out my channel. And soon we are gonna be the family of 1000 subscribers, and I'm so happy and grateful for you all that you have supported me in my journey. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So to make this, you have to take kundan. So I have taken this kind of triangular kundans. They are not proper triangles, but they are in the shape of triangles only. So we will require total of 11 triangular kundans like this, and now we will do the down part. So for that I have taken the hexagon kind of kundans, and then we'll attach this pearl in that. So I have taken the asymmetrical pearl and not the proper round pearl. So with the help of laria we will attach this pearl, and we can add the 2-3 laurels and make the U shape, and this add this in the flat side of this hexagon, sorry, pentagon, not on the angle. So in this way we have to add it to the flat side, and in the same way guys we have to make 10 more like this, so which we will attach them in this mid section of this triangle like this. So I have already made the 9 of them. So and this is how our necklace will look like. So now we'll attach this. So I have already attached one wire over here, so I'll tell you in the end that how to attach this. So to start off with, we will start waving off this kundan. So you can see there are lots of holes to this kundan, so make sure to attach it in the from the front part like this, and the first and the last, and leave the middle hole. So keep on adding all these holes. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow me. We have a lot of designs of kundan jewelry and a lot of oxidized jewelry and so many. And I have also a lot of I have a playlist on my channel about this kundan jewelry. If you want to watch it, I can give the link in the description below. And if somebody wants to buy the jewelry, because all people are not able to make it as, like, they have the different skill set and all. So if you want to buy this jewelry, you can of course message me on Instagram. So I have attached all these triangular kundans, and we'll just make the turn like U-turn, and then we will keep on adding this pentagon, and then we will take this wire from this angle of this triangle, like you can see the last angle. So so that it will come in that design like pentagon, then triangle, pentagon, triangle. So likewise we have to attach it, but just make sure that you are attaching them uh, like properly. Like sometimes what a mistake I had done, that I had taken the back side front, so don't do that. So now we have attached all, and then with the help of lock bead we will attach this to the necklace dori. So add the lock bead and then take the necklace dori from this hole, and again take it out to the lock bead, and then with the help of plier just lock it properly. So that's it, and you can cut the extra part or you can add this extra part in this kundans, it's up to you. So with this, now this kundan necklace is ready. And now for the earring. So again we will make this pearl tassel. So I have taken this laria, added the zero size golden bead, then pearl, and then uh, laurels, and then we will add this to the angular part of this pentagon and not this flat side. Okay, and now to attach this I have taken the another kundan, round kundan, and we will attach it with the help of 30 gauge wire. So I have tried to attach it with the help of jump ring, but it didn't work. But again, if you want to have a more embellishment, you can add some laurels to the sides of this pentagon. So with the help of 30 gauge wire I have added some 2-3 laurels to the both the sides. So this is how you have to do it, and then we will now attach this. So I have taken another round kundan, and with the help of this Vetra glue, which is easily available in the hardware store, you can attach the backside stud, and then again, as I told you already, just attach it with the help of 30 gauge wire. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We are soon gonna be a family of 1000 subscribers, and I'm so happy, and thank you so much for supporting. But as I of course dream to be a family of 1 lakh subscribers, so please do that. So with this, how this first necklace is ready, and now let's see the another necklace. So for these two I have taken kind of a square shape kundans, but again a D shape kundans you can say, and we'll take the total 15 kundans and we'll attach them in this gear wire, which I had already attached to the necklace dori. So I have added this 15, and now we will attach this to other hole of necklace dori. So first we'll add the lock bead, and then I will take this add this in the other hole of the necklace dori, and then again take it out. So you have to be very patient here, because necklace lock bead is very small and it takes ages to take this wire out like this. And once it comes out, either you can just take it again in this kundans. Now we will make the pendant. So I have taken this lotus shape kundan. So you can take any kundan that you want to, which suits your design or personality. And then I have taken this one kundan which had some pink color design and some low pearls in that, and then we will attach it with the help of l'oreal. So I have added the laria, then zero size golden bead, and then this kundan, and then some l'oreals, and then this one we will attach over here. And again we will add to this one we will add pearl. So the way we added this kundan, in the same way we will add the pearl. Like we'll take laria, then we will add this zero size golden bead, then this is 3 mm pearl, then 2-3 laurels, and just attach this all to this other hole of this kundan. So add this to the both the all the 4 holes. So I have added this, and this is how cute it looks. Now as they were 15, so I'll attach this in the mid, which will come like to the 8th one. So we will attach it to the 8th kundan. So again I'll take the jump ring and I'll add the jump ring first, and then we'll add this in this add this kundan over here in this mid part. So make sure to stick this with the help of a plier very tightly. So that's it guys. With this, how this necklace is ready. And now for the earrings. So I have made the same in this pendant in the same way, and then I have taken this D shape kundan. This is now the proper D shape kundan, you can see. And with the help of jump ring we will attach this. So first I'll attach the jump ring in this D shape kundan, and then we will attach this in this our this main kundan. So that's it guys. With this, this another kundan is earring, it's also ready. So tada! So aren't they so cute and classy and very easy to make? And as you can see in my pictures, I have worn both of these necklace sets on the first day of Ganpati, and they have turned out to be very pretty and very comfortable to wear. So do try to make these necklace sets at home, and do let me know how was your experience while making this necklace set. And if you are new here for the first time and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, or if you are watching my content on a regular basis or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to subscribe and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing